house in Eugene, Oregon. It is very close to everything. It's a little bit out of town, but still reasonable driving distance to everything. It's in a neighborhood that has lots of luxury homes, and as you can see behind me, it's so beautiful. The upstairs part of the house has 5 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms, and then the downstairs has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. There's ample living space. There's a beautiful kitchen upstairs. There's a beautiful kitchen downstairs, and I'll show you what I mean when we head inside. All right. As we head inside, you can see that it's very open. The floors are nice and new. Everything seems to be absolutely beautiful and newly renovated, so you wouldn't have to do anything to the upstairs. And as soon as you walk in, on your left, there's the master bedroom, which I love the layout of this. You walk in, you have the beautiful doors that lead out to a stone patio. You can have a hot tub out there. You can have an entertainment patio set out there. There's a beautiful fireplace that looks like it's newly renovated. And there's enough room for a king-size bed. And then on the opposite side of this room, you have your first walk-in closet with a lot of storage space. It's very organized. You have the toilet with a sink that's closed off from the rest of the bathroom. The tiling looks very new. And as we walk back into the entryway, you have a front room right here. This would be a perfect place to have some chairs. You sit here, drink your morning coffee, look out in the front. It has this gorgeous open window, lots of natural light. You could put a piano in here. This could be a place that you just sit and catch up. And this kitchen is so beautiful. It's functional. It has granite countertops. And these cabinets look very new. Oh, and it also has a gas stove with 6 burners on it. So that is good for big families especially. And it's very open. The appliances are brand new as well. There's a wine rack built into the cabinet system. And then you have a lovely dining room area with a fireplace. So you have a bedroom right here off of the kitchen. This one's pretty large. It has large ceilings, a large closet. And then we have the bathroom. You could use this as a guest bathroom, or it could be the bedroom closest to its bathroom. It has a nice shower with lots of tile, and I will show you the last couple of bedrooms up on this level before we head downstairs. A family room, and what I love about this family room is that big open window into the front yard. You have a lot of room for all of your couches and chairs and a TV. You can have an entertainment center here. It's beautiful, naturally lit. I love it so much. And it is close to this little utility room. So you can have your washer and dryer hookups. It is absolutely huge. There's so much storage space. The counters and the cabinets are nice and new. There's even a hookup for a TV, so if you wanted to fold laundry in here, you can watch TV while you do it. And it's right next to this bedroom. This is the last bedroom on this floor. And this has a huge window, a nice closet, lots of storage space, and its own little bathroom. And I like this bathroom a lot because I haven't really seen many bathrooms like this still. But we have the window above the tub and cute tiling. It doesn't really match with the rest of the house, but I like it. I think it's unique. Okay, we have to go see the downstairs now. It is completely separated from the house, so even though it has this staircase down to it, you can still access it from doors on the outside. So you could use this as an investment property and rent down this entire downstairs. And it opens up into this beautiful family room. Look at those lights on the top up there. It's kind of like a gallery lighting. There's an area over here that you could use. You could put a table here. You could put a pool table here. This could be kind of like a game area for your kids. And then there is access to the garage in this door. Next to the family room, there's a bathroom. There's a shower, brand new vanity. But it has another door that leads into this area, which is kind of like a playroom. You could use it if you homeschool your children. You can make this into the schoolroom. They can have all their toys there. Into a kitchen. This kitchen is massive. It's absolutely huge. It kind of reminds me of a restaurant kitchen because it has lots of storage space and these tables, and it looks like everything is pretty brand new. I might replace the flooring just because it looks a little outdated, but it's not horrible. It's not bad. There's a pantry in the kitchen, and it leads into a dining room. So here is the first bedroom. There's a closet over there. There's a lot of space down here. And there's a door. If you walk through this bedroom, there's another bedroom. So if you have maybe a kid, you could have the bedrooms be very close together because there's closet space here. They can have their own room, but also be close to you. Okay, so off of the bottom part that we just looked at, you go out a door and you have this wonderful patio area. It's covered. They can have like a table and some chairs. There's this area over here where you can have a barbecue. You can use this for just cooking outside. There's storage spaces underneath. And you have a wonderful shared backyard. So, I mean, if you have, say, your son and his wife and their daughter living underneath you, you can have this shared backyard. It leads up to the main part of the house. It's wonderfully landscaped. It's just absolutely beautiful. But it also looks decently low maintenance. I mean, the plants that I'm seeing aren't really hard to take care of, so it would be an easy to take care of backyard. But it's beautiful and it's so big, so I love this. So that is the tour of downstairs. This is the most perfect place to rent out. You can pay off your mortgage while you first move in here. You don't even have to really spend anything because you have people living underneath your house. It's going to be quieter than a duplex, and you're going to be able to pay your mortgage by renting this out. And Eugene is one of the easiest places to find people to rent out from because there's always college students, there's always families, there's always people that are going to want to rent out from you. So it'll be easy to keep occupied. And yeah, I think it's a great idea to invest in.